morning, dear students and parents. I hope you all are safe and sound at home. I welcome you all in online teaching program by RAD Group of School. Dear students, I hope you all have completed your yesterday's homework. What was your yesterday's topic? About monument. I hope you all have completed your worksheet and your homework. So student, today we are going to start block 13, fourth lesson plan. Yes students, before going to start this lesson, I want to ask some questions to you. Yes students, what do you wear in school? When do you go to school? What do you wear in school? Right, you all are wearing uniform. You wear uniform in school uniform, right? Dress code is there. Okay, and what do you wear on the special occasions? Like on the festivals and on birthday party and on any other event? Yes, you are wearing some special kind of dresses, like yes students. So what is our today's topic? Our today's topic is clothes in our state. Today we are going to read about the clothes, which kind of clothes people are wearing in our state. So today we will discuss about this topic. What will be the resources for this class? Map, content book, notebook and workbook. So student, what is our today's aim? To identify the geographical and cultural aspect of a state through clothing. Means what will we do? We will try to identify the geographical and cultural aspects of a state through the clothing. Means clothing के जरिए, dresses के जरिए we will try to find out which kind of geographical feature it is of the state and the cultural aspect. So student, I want to ask some questions to you. Have you noticed how people wear different clothes in different places? Just think about it. If we are talking about the clothing, अगर हम clothes की बात करते हैं, we are means different places. In different places, people are wearing different kinds of dresses. If we are talking about Jammu and Kashmir, the climate is cold, so they are wearing woolen clothes. And if we talk about Kerala, so climate is hot there, so they are wearing thin and loose clothes to make their body cool. So now I want to ask, what are some clothes you have seen people wear? In my locality, I have seen these clothing people are wearing. Men are wearing dhoti kurta, pagadi, a kind of cloth, means a piece of cloth that is worn on head, and pajama. Some are wearing kurta pajama also, trouser and pants also. Women are wearing salwar suit. Most of the women are wearing a salwar suit, ghagra and shirt. Ghagra with shirt, chunari, and ghagra. This is called daman. That is also worn by the old women. Yes students, now I'm going to show you some pictures of the clothes that are worn in our state, in Haryana. Some of the pictures of these clothes are, and while observing these pictures, students, you will write the answer of these questions. Same how I have asked in the previous class also. While observing these pictures, you will write the answer of these questions. You will write the answers of these questions. What do you notice about what the people are wearing? Would people wear these clothes when it is hot or when it is cold? On what occasions would people wear these clothes? So students, while observing the pictures, you will write the answer of these questions. Yes students, these are the clothes. Here in this picture you can see the man is wearing kurta pajama with turban, and ज़्यादातर जो young होते हैं, young people, they are wearing trousers and shirts also. And if we are talking about women, what they are wearing? They are wearing like salwar suit and daman with shirt and with a chunri. This is also worn by the ladies. And here you can see in this picture the ladies, the old ladies, what are they wearing? They are wearing a kind of ghagra and with the white shirt and chunri. Now move to the discussion part, students. I want to ask some questions to you. Yes, these questions which I gave you before the activity. What do you notice about what the people are wearing? Just now I have shown you some pictures, right? What have you noticed about these pictures? What are they wearing? Yes, the man who's wearing kurta pajama and the trouser and shirt also, and women are wearing salwar suit. They were colorful, right? And daman, kurta with chunri. So these clothes they are wearing. Would people wear these clothes when it is hot or when it is cold? Yeah, think about the students. When people wear these clothes when it is hot or cold. People wear these clothes when it is hot. Right? Why? Because these clothes are thin and loose. And why do people wear these kind of clothes in hot season? Because these clothes keep them cool. Next question is, on what occasion would people wear these clothes? Have you noticed something? On what occasion would people wear these clothes? Like if we are talking about the kurta pajama, trouser and shirt, and that salwar and suit, is it is not worn on any special occasion. They are wearing it every day, right? And if we are talking about the daman which I have shown you with the kurta and with heavy chunri, nowadays it is less, मीन्स बहुत कम इसको पहना जाता है, राइट? यू कैन सी एनी रेयरली द ओल्ड वीमेन आर wearing this daman. Otherwise it is worn on the special occasion, on the dance performance, when they are giving the dance performance, any kind of and any special occasions also they are wearing. Students, now look on the screen. I have written some name of the regions, and some these are the parts, these are some cities of our state. Now student, what will you do from this list? Which part of the state do you think we would find these clothes? Student, now you will find out it on your map. This is the map of Haryana. You will find out the cities of Haryana, the regions of Haryana. Where could you find these clothes? Which pictures I have shown you in the activity part. This is the map of Haryana. Here you will try to find out the region where these clothes are worn. Yes, student, my next question is, what do the clothes tell us about our state? You have seen some pictures of clothes. What do these clothes tell us about our state? Have you noticed this thing, students? Like if we are talking about the wearing of a man, what he is wearing kurta and pajama, and this is a thin cloth and loose clothes. So you can guess the how is the climate, how is the weather. It is hot. So that is why he is wearing this kind of clothes, because these thin clothes and loose clothes keep our body cool in this hot season. So the way of the clothing of our state tell us about the climatic condition of our state. So students, these clothes tell us about the geographical and the cultural and traditional aspect of our state. Cultural और traditional conditions के बारे में बताते हैं, which kind of traditions and culture we are following. Means like if we are talking about that daman and chunri and kurta, now women are wearing these clothes on special occasion, on the occasion of the festivals, or while giving the dance performance. And if we are talking about the previous time, कई सालों पहले की बात कर रहे हैं, तो it was the common wear, means commonly women are wearing these clothes. So इस तरह से हमें clothes से भी हमें अपने हमारा जो state होता है उसकी tradition के बारे में पता चलता है. Student, my next question is, in the parts of the state where people wear these clothes, will it be hot or cold? As I discussed you earlier also, like in kurta pajama they are wearing, this is a thick thin clothes and it keep the body cool. So you can easily guess which kind of weather it is. You can say yes, it is hot, because in hot season we are wearing cotton and loose clothes. Now it is time for the hots. Do you wear the same kind of clothes all through the year? What does this tell you about your state? Dear students, read this question on your screen and listen it very carefully. Do you wear the same kind of clothes all through the year? What does this tell you about your state? क्या आप एक ही टाइप की जो आपकी ड्रेस होती है या कपड़े होते हैं आप उसी को पूरे साल पहनते रहते हैं? If we are talking about Haryana, in June and May and June month it is summer season, hot season, and during this season we are wearing cotton clothes. And in the month of November, December and January we are wearing woolen clothes, because it is too cold in this season. So we are not wearing same kind of clothes throughout the year, because in hot season we have to wear the cotton clothes and loose clothes, thin clothes we are wearing, but in winter season we are wearing woolen clothes. It tells us about a state that in winter season it is too cold, but in summer season it is too hot. Student, now let's move to the reading section. Open page number 26. Second paragraph. When Amar visited Selvi in Tamil Nadu, he was amazed to see what she was wearing. It was a long skirt and blouse made from silk and golden threads. Selvi said, many girls in Tamil Nadu wore such clothes made from special silk cloths. In this picture you can see this girl is wearing, young girls in Tamil Nadu wear long silk skirts. So students, जो wearing है, जो clothing habits है, it vary from state to state. ये vary करता है state to state. Here if we are talking about Tamil Nadu, in Tamil Nadu girls are wearing silk skirt, a long silk skirt with a blouse. Yes, student, now it is time to apply your knowledge application time. What will you do? You will do S4, that is given on page number 28 in your workbook. Yes, students, it must be completed within 10 minutes. Yes, students, open page number 28 of your workbook. Clothes in a state. This is an image of a person from Kerala. Here you can see the picture of a man. He is from Kerala. First question, which of the statement is true? The man is fully clothed. The man is wearing slippers and a hat. The man is wearing jewelry. So which statement is true? You will tick on that. Second question, what is the man wearing on his head? Yes, you can observe what he is wearing as it is given in the sentences in first question also. What he is wearing on his head. Why do you think he might be wearing this? You can guess easily why he is wearing this kind of clothes. Question number 3. Do you think this man is in a hot or cold place? Do you think this part of Kerala is hot or cold? Give reason for your answer. Yes, student, through the clothing habit, you can easily guess which kind of climate is here, which kind of weather is here, and you can give answer for your, you can give reason for your answer also. Now it's time for homework part, student. What is your today's homework? You will do practice question number 1 and 3, that is given on page number 30 in your content book. So student, at last we are going to summarize our today's topic. What is our today's topic? Clothes in our state. Yes, students, in today's class we have learnt about the geographical and the cultural aspects of the state through the clothing, right? Through the clothing we have find out which kind of cloth, which kind of tradition and culture is there, and which kind of geographical feature, किस type का geographical feature है, how is the climate there. So we have achieved our aim successfully. Be ready for next class also, and resources for next class, your content book, notebook and workbook. Thank you. Have a nice day.